Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining me today. In this tutorial, we are going to explore how you can change your email address in the Truth Social app. Many users sometimes need to update their email for better security. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Preferences to access your account settings. After that, continue scrolling until you see the option called Change Email. Tap on it to proceed. Now enter your new email address in the provided field and tap on Send. Truth Social will send you a verification email. Open your inbox, copy the verification code, and return to the app. Finally, paste the code into the required field and confirm. Your email address is now successfully updated. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.